Hello, I am Derek McKercher and I am the founder and director of PSW Energy here in Western Australia. And I've been installing solar and energy technologies for the last 20 years. Today we're going to do an independent review of the GoodWe ESA. It was originally available in just single phase. It's now also available in 3-phase in Australia, and it's scalable up to 30 kilowatts. I gauge our installer impressions of the product based on installer feedback directly, and I asked my technicians, what did you think? And instantly they loved it. So that's a really good sign when our first products that are going in, that installers are loving it. Now, in terms of performance with GoodWe ESA, we're seeing a high adoption to high energy density. And so people are loving the performance from the stacked up battery system up to 40 kilowatt hours. With GoodWe in general, we have great reliability. So when they do release a new product to market, we know we're going to have minimal warranty concerns. And if there is, they fix it fast. We've always had good support with GoodWe. So when they do come out with a new variation of a particular product or a complete new design, we know it's engineered to handle the Australian climate. We know we're going to get good aftercare if required, because that is something that we do need to consider in the modern battery world, is that customers and local DNSP issues are ongoing, or customer queries, individual settings, they're all going to need to be customized to the individual user. So having a responsive aftercare department that, like GoodWe, we know that we can facilitate this as an ideal solution for our customers. How does GoodWe compare to Tesla Powerwall? We're looking at two all-in-one systems, but two unique perspectives. So with Tesla, where you're looking at an entire energy ecosystem, where you've got the car, you've got the EV charger, you've got the battery storage device, you've got the whole home power routing. With GoodWe, you are looking at a similar perspective, but you're probably dropping off a couple of features and you're getting more value per cost per kilowatt hour in terms of a lower price. Another plus for GoodWe is you've got that reduced scalability. So you're looking at 6 to 8 kilowatt hour increments, which adds that greater flexibility. If you've got Tesla vehicles, go for the Tesla Powerwall. If you're just looking for high, great value energy density, all-in-one battery system with good EV integration and also a lot of upside and good Australian support or good global support, then GoodWe's a great solution. For me, personally, I think the weakness of the GoodWe ESA is the lack of a gateway. I love a gateway. I love it. But if you've got the product in the ideal mounting location in a garage and the switchboard is on the opposite side of the house, you've got a huge cable run over to the, and this is your main supply usually, that back and forth across the house, and you just don't want to do that. A gateway adjacent to the switchboard makes absolute sense. I really hope a gateway is on the way soon, because gateways are the future for a lot of these technologies. I have seen some mismatched exteriors on the units. Now, it does come from when people are buying from different wholesalers that have accumulated different batches. Make sure you buy the head unit and the battery stacks from the same distributor, or else you will likely get a mismatch on the exterior finish, usually because they've been produced at different times and different grades of metal, or they've evolved, or I don't know, to be honest, but for some reason there's an issue there. That would be my only suggestion with a weakness of the product. In terms of pricing with the GoodWe ESA, it's going to be one of the best value per kilowatt hour. And that's kind of how we're gauging batteries at right now in 2026 is cost per kilowatt hour. Pricing is phenomenal for the technology that you're getting. GoodWe has the engineering. They have the high grade components to make sure that what you're getting, or you are going to get what you pay for, that it can last the journey. I don't know of any hidden costs with GoodWe to date. What you see is what you get. Even after the point of installation, it should be a seamless 10 years minimum of uninterrupted energy security. One of the strongest companies in terms of backbone is Fox ESS. And the reason why I like Fox ESS is because it's got that versatility we spoke about earlier. Fox has 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt output inverters. They've got huge energy density in terms of what the new CQ6 can do. I'm seeing a lot of upside from Fox ESS. Once they switch over to the new Power Q series all-in-one design, then you're looking at a serious contender. My score for the GoodWe ESA is installation. I'm going to give it a 4. We have great performance and reliability out of GoodWe, so it has to be a 5. Build quality, durability, I'm going to give that a 4. Value for money, that's a 5. I'm going to give overall satisfaction with the GoodWe ESA a 4 out of 5. Love it.